okay? Whew. Shooting this Glock 43 is absolutely fun. I put the clips in front of the main part of this review because this review is going to be about all of 2 minutes. Make sure that's clear before we do this. I bought the Pearce plug for the grip frame. No particular reason why I chose the Pearce. The only reason why I grabbed it mainly, I mean, it wasn't like #1 on my list, was because I came across it at a local gun shop for $5, so, you know, it's there. But anyway, it's this little black half moon section here. And if any of you know anything about it, basically what it does is it goes up in here, seals this cavity off that's underneath of the grip. And mainly the reason to seal that off is so mud and dirt and pocket lint and baby powder and granulated sugar, it's so none of that bullshit can get in here. It would enter through the bottom, up through here, and essentially shut the action down. Or has that potential, okay? Most of us aren't out in adverse conditions, at least not right now. But there could be a time later on in the future where you might be on a camping trip and you decide to take your little 43 with you because there could be, I don't know, fucking skunk apes, Bigfoots, T-Rex maybe, and, you know, your Glock falls in the mud, whatever. So this is basically cut and dry, okay, so to speak. Take it out of the package, you push it in till it bottoms out. You can, whoops, you can see right here where the black and the gray part of the frame meet. You just push it in, it bottoms out. Case closed. End of the story. I don't think one is any better than the other. In the clips you've seen, it was the first time I've shot with it. It didn't fall out. So, just close that off. It didn't fall out, but I just pushed it and felt it go in just a smidge. So maybe I didn't originally have it popped in all the way, I don't know, but so there it is. Pretty much case closed. It works so far anyway. And I will be sending my slide out tomorrow back to Trigicon for front sight replacement. The tritium went dead. Maybe I shoot this thing too hard, huh? But I absolutely have a ball shooting this. I mean, this thing, especially with that Rock Your Glock stainless steel recoil spring replacement that I put in there. Man, that spring just makes this gun. It really does. So, but anyway, that's it. My review's over. Hope you enjoyed that. Shooting clips, everyone's shooting today, you know, nice Sunday. But anyway, I'll catch you in the next video. I got some cool stuff coming in the next week or two for my 43. I'm gonna be doing a new holster, so that means that this appendix holster, remember in that video, this appendix holster, I will be giving this away for free. So stay tuned. I mean, you've got to be on top. You've got to check these videos because I'll be rolling this in at some point in a new video. I'll be rolling this in, and if you don't watch the videos, you're gonna miss my instructions on how to get this for free. I have been using this a lot, by the way, and it's really, really it's really nice. It really is. If it wasn't for the fact that I wanted carbon fiber on the outside, I mean, I probably wouldn't give this away. This was, all the time you make holsters, they're time consuming. These take a few hours, you know. Molding, first you gotta, the molding part is hard, it's cumbersome, you know, and then shaping them out. But anyway, just stay tuned, okay, because this will be going up just as you see it. You'll be getting the clip. It's just ready to just take it out of the package I send it in, and put your gun and shit in it, and out the door you go. So that's that. And just like I said, other cool things. So just subscribe or you're gonna miss this shit, okay? So anyway, I'll talk to you in the next one.